Hi everyone, this morning I took my truck to the muffler shop in Sunnyvale, a place called World Muffler. The guy did a great job, Patrick. He did a great job. He spent some time trying to adjust it to make sure everything fit properly, and there's still, I mean, he made some improvement, but it still wasn't right. I mean, it wasn't even. So I asked him to go ahead and cut it. So here's how it looks now. It's the one on the right, the one that was hanging low. So right now, about that much. So before that it was much lower. So right now it's about even on both sides. I'm happy with it. So before he went and cut it, you know, he didn't want to just go ahead and cut it. He loosened up all the bolts at all the flanges, you know, all of them, and put a support under here to the level where, you know, where I think is the right level, and then he tightened up the bolts. So it turns out that side, the one on the driver's side, I had it up a little too high. So when he loosened up the bolts, it actually, this one was dropping down a little bit. See, if you look at the rubber hanger, okay, when it's installed properly, that's how it's supposed to look. Before that, it was like squished up like that, and then this thing was about ½ inch higher. So, you know, if you're gonna do this yourself, just take a look at mine here. So it should be about that much clearance. Okay, that's about the right height, and the rubber hanger should look like that. It shouldn't be stretched, it shouldn't be squished. Okay, so this is the natural hanging position of the left pipe. And here's the one on the right. So I'll explain what he did up in the front. Okay, so this is where he made the cut. So I think he cut up the top part. He didn't cut the whole thing right through. He cut the top part, and I think he cut out a little bit and then raised up the tailpipe. So it kind of bent the tailpipe up a little bit. You only have to cut this slightly, right, because the tailpipe is pretty long, right? So just a slight notch up here, bent it up to the heights where we want it to be, and then he welded back. So looking at it again from behind the truck, now look pretty good now. I'm happy with it. Originally I was telling him maybe he can cut right here, somewhere at that bend right there. He said no, that would be noticeable. It's better to cut it right at the welding spot. So if you live in San Jose, in the Bay Area, that's the place I would recommend. And by the way, it cost me 80 bucks. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.